Let me take you techniques to or the skills of physical examination. So I told you in your definition, have you remembering definition? What was our definition? The systematic collection of objective information which is directly observed or elicited through examination techniques. So these techniques are: number 1, inspection, second is palpation, third is percussion, then auscultation, and last is olfaction. So I'll give you a brief explanation about each technique because you should be very much competent enough to do this examination.
To watch full video, download app.